Today I'm sharing my soft, moist plum cake, a family favorite that's perfect for the holidays. You can see how beautifully soft it is. It is incredibly moist and tender, and it breaks so easily. That's how soft this cake is. We will start by preparing a dark caramel for this cake. Add sugar to a pan and keep the heat on low. Keep stirring continuously because caramel can burn very quickly. The color of the caramel depends on how long you cook it. You can keep it light golden or make it a little darker for a deeper flavor. Now carefully add water. Add a little at first and stir. The caramel will bubble rapidly, so be careful. Stir well and let the mixture boil for about 5 minutes until the caramel becomes smooth. Caramel is very hot, so always handle it with care. Once the caramel is ready, carefully pour it into a bowl and keep it aside to cool. In a bowl, add 250 g of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a quarter teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Sift everything well and keep it aside. Grease the pan with butter and dust it lightly with all-purpose flour. Preheat the oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Before making the batter, crack 5 eggs into a bowl and keep them ready. This makes it easier later when we add the eggs to the batter. Next, take the soaked nut mixture and strain out the rum liquid. Measure 250 g of mixed nuts and keep them aside. This nut mixture is already prepared. I have shared a separate video on how I prepared the nut mixture. You can find the link in the description below. Do check it out. In an electric mixer, add softened butter, white sugar and brown sugar. Start mixing on a low to medium speed, then gradually increase the speed. Stop in between to scrape and mix, and beat for about 20 minutes until the mixture turns pale and creamy. This step is very important for a soft and moist cake. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, then add the eggs one at a time. Beat on low speed after each addition. Next, add the dry ingredients slowly in intervals. Mix gently and scrape the bowl in between. Now add our star ingredient caramel sauce that we prepared earlier and mix until just combined. Add the prepared nut mixture and beat lightly. Stop the mixer and use a spatula to mix everything well. Pour the batter into the prepared pan and bake at 350 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes or until the toothpick insert in the center comes out clean. Once the cake is baked, let it cool slightly. Then gently invert it onto a serving plate. And here is a beautiful baked plum cake. Now let's slice into the cake. Just look at how soft and moist this cake is. This plum cake is perfect, soft, rich and full of flavor. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. Happy holidays!